Hey guys, this is Joe, welcome to the channel. This is the all-new GWM Cannon. In this video, I'll go through the walk-around for the exterior and the interior changes available on the new Cannon. We won't be able to test drive this vehicle just yet. With our demo lines, I'll be able to do a POV drive on this vehicle to show you how the vehicle drives. The pricing for New Zealand is $43,490 plus ORC. If you are in Auckland and you would like to purchase one of these vehicles, contact us at Ebbett Pukekohe. I'll leave all the contact details down below on the screen. Alright, this is how the exterior looks like. As I mentioned, this is called the LUX. Generally speaking, on the GWM group, LUX is considered to be either the mid or the lower spec. So potentially in the future, it's gonna be an ultra spec. But this is how the car looks like. First thing at the front, that's the Cannon logo over there, and that's the black trims, black grille at the front. I think the front looks a lot better than the last generation. I'm not saying the last generation had a bad look, but this looks a little bit more modernized. Now we have got the new headlights, new fog lights underneath as well. Now on the side, this has got a 18-inch alloys with the Cannon logo just on the wheel cover. On the side, the profile looks quite close to the last generation, but you can see the lines and things has been changed just a little bit. Underneath, we get the side steps, which is standard, again with the Cannon logo down there. The wheel arch and the door trims and the rear wheel arch, they are all body colored. They're not like plastic compared to some other Utes on the market. There is a silver and chrome trim over here with some contrast design in the center, again with the Cannon logo inside. The new Cannon LUX come with keyless entry and push button start as standard. Now on the side, the wind mirror has body color on the top, black trims underneath, chrome on the windows, B pillar and C pillar has got some black trims, and then chrome on the windows again. The roof rails are black colored. The diesel tank is on the driver's side. For the LUX New Zealand version, we are getting the sports bars at the back. They are chrome finish. Now this is how the rear looks like. Since everything is already falling under the GWM one brand policy, everything is going to be called GWM instead of just simple Cannon before. So you now get the GWM logo. 4x4 means this is a four-wheel drive vehicle. 2.4-liter turbo diesel means this is the upgraded diesel variants and transmission, things like that. Behind the vehicle, we'll also find the new tail lights. This looks very similar to the new GWM Cannon Alpha. Some black trims on the tailgate, and then some reflector or rear fog lights available at the back. Parking sensor is also available. Reverse camera is located just over here. Now open this, there is a soft opening, which is really cool. Another thing that's really cool, I want to show you. One finger, I can lift this up. Look how light that is. I've got no idea how they can manage to do that. Again, one finger to lift this up. That's so light. It's surprisingly so light compared to any other Utes I've ever looked at it. Anyway, the tray liner and all that things, I think this has grown. Unfortunately, I don't have the specification with me just yet when I do this video. So hopefully I'll be able to update you on the information later on when I do the drive video. Anyway, this looks like a general size, and you got spray liners, deck liners on the top. The old GWM Cannon used to have a step. You can pull it out, you can step onto the tray. Unfortunately, this one hasn't really got it. Now for the back seats, this feels really good for the opening position. You can of course do the seatbelt, you can of course drop the rear seats if you need to. Pull is on the top. Now the rear seats folding is 60-40 split. Once you fold it, you can find some tools and jack underneath. Tether point for child seats are at the back. There are two at the back, by the way. Now stepping inside is pretty simple. Step, pull, and we are in. Now I'm about 178 centimeters tall. I've got great amount of headroom, that's no problem. At the front, that's my driving position. I've got great amount of legroom as well. Foot space is good too, no issue at all. In terms of storage, over here, some storage underneath, USB-A charging, 2 air vents is also available. There is an armrest in the center, but there is no cup holder on the armrest. The door bins feels good size, cup holders over here, some storage at the back. On the doors, there are some plastic on the top. They are not too hard, not too bad at all. Door handle feels solid. Leather finish over here, leather finish over there. Some wooden-like trim over there, and with the window control. Along with that, some stitchings over here, and again, soft touch over here. That's quite premium compared to other Utes on the market. Now, this is how the front looks like. Of course, they are synthetic leather seats with manual adjustments. Again, this is called the LUX, so potentially there will be a higher version that's coming, hopefully. Looking around the dashboard, we are going to find the DPF cleaner over here, so you have to go through that later on, just like the last version. There's traction control over here, there's headlight leveling over here, then there's wind mirror control on the left. Push button start. There we go. So the vehicle has come with the new engine and new transmission, which is available already on the Cannon Alpha previously. So it's powered by a 2.4 litre turbocharged diesel now, which is 135 kilowatts and 480 Newton meters of torque. Along with that, it's got a 9-speed automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, of course 4x4, you got diff-lock at the back. Along with that, the towing capacity on this is 3.5 ton, which is good compared to the last generation, which was rated at 3 ton and also 3.2 ton on the later versions. Again, we are going to test drive this car in the future video, so I will let you know the driving thoughts on this vehicle. Now, coming to the interior, this is the interior. It's more like a plasticky steering, although it feels like leather for some way. The buttons and the locations looks very similar to the Tank 300 and some of other Cannon Alpha interior as well. Paddle shifters behind the steering and also cruise control is underneath. It's got adaptive cruise control just over there, which is similar to the Tank series or the H6 series if you're familiar with the GWM products. The steering, of course, can be adjusted, tilt up and down, forward and backwards, in and out. In front of us, this looks like to be somewhere around 6 to 8 inch display for your digital display. You got speedo, you got rev counter, and you can change quite a few things when you like. This looks quite similar to the Haval H6 dashboard, which you can easily change all these functions by using the up and down buttons over here. On the right, that's a fuel tank gauge, some warning lights over here, and on the left, that's your water temperature gauge. While the vehicle stays stationary, not giving any warnings, press and hold this OK button, you can go into the menu. That means go right or left to change whatever you like. You can go into the settings to change language, change whatever you like as well. Otherwise, most people are going to be okay displaying your fuel consumption, anything in the center, including the tire pressure monitoring system. This button is the voice command button. I'm not sure if these cars come with a voice command, but we can find out. And this is the personalized button. The middle button doesn't work on this particular vehicle. This is your assistant systems. If you press this, it will jump to the assistant systems. Answer the phone call button. SVC, that's your side view camera, which is quite strange. This car does not come with the 360 camera, but it comes with the reverse camera plus the left side view camera. Now let's go into the center so we can talk about the screen. This is a 12.3 inch display. It has a very new interface, a very new system compared to any other GWM products. It's pretty fast actually. Again, this is the first day I'm getting used to it. You can see the music, Bluetooth connection, time, dates. You can see the vehicle settings. Under the vehicle settings, you can have the in-car setting, see the vehicle control, see the body, see the lights, see the wireless phone charging, which is actually available on this particular spec. Under the driving, you are going to find all your safety bells whistles about front assist, lane assist, rear side assist, and traffic sign. The good thing about this system, there's no facial detection available on this vehicle, so hopefully it's not going to give you warnings and things like that when you drive the vehicle. And then you can reset the vehicle. Swiping the screen, you can see the local media again, telephone, vehicle settings again, but additionally we have the vehicle system setting. Under the system, you can do Bluetooth, sound, display, personalization, all that stuff. Oh, there we go, we found there is actually GWM assistance on this vehicle, so you can actually use the voice recognition system. You can also personalize the start button or on the right when you want. Apart from that, fan speed and all that things can be quickly changed over here. You can see the temperature, which is quite smart, and fan speed over here, press that, you can bring the fan and icon and things like that. That's not bad. Let's try the reverse camera. That is the reverse camera, and that's the parking sensor. It's really clear. It's up to the standard compared to other Utes on the market. It's better than the last version 100%. One small thing I've also found is the blind spot detection is now located inside the A-pillar instead on the wing mirror. Now under the screen, we are going to find some quick adjustments for your air conditioning system, for your hazard light, which is simple, for your hill descent function that's available. Air vents are big and chunky, you can control them, that feels good, feels really solid. Some chrome finish over here. Underneath, we are going to find the wireless phone charging pad, USB-A for your phone connection, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, USB-C just for your charging. 12-volt socket is also available for the charging. In the center, we are going to find a new gear shifter. This is similar to the Tank 300, it's electronic. Hold the brake, go forward, that's reverse, all the way back is drive, shift it to back again, that's manual, and then go forward, that's reverse, press on the top is for park. We are going to get D-floor for the back. We are going to get full speed low at low speed for your 4-wheel drive as well. On the right, there are 3 buttons for your 12-volt at 1, 2, 3. I haven't figured out how this works and what they do, but please let me know in the comments. Again, I will let you know in the future as well. Handbrake, press to release, pull to get it on when you have the brake engaged. Auto hold is available. Now in the center, that's your mode change. You can twist left and right to change between eco, normal, sport and things like that. I do believe there's also off-road settings that you can select. I'll figure it out later. I haven't been able to test that just yet. Armrest in the center console is huge. The center console looks like the GWM Tank 300 to be fair. You got big armrest over there. You got even air vents going through. You can push it open, push it close if you like. Tray can be going backwards. You can take this out if you need to, and that can be taken out as well. There's a small cup holder over here. There's a big cup holder on the other side. Now the glove box on the side looks decent. There's unlinked storage on the top. At the front, there's no tunnel underneath. Storage on the side of the doors are huge as well. To the quality on the top, they are softer finish on the top actually. That's different from the rear. These are a lot softer than the rear plastic. And leather finish over here, that feels really good. Leather finish on the doors again feels really good. They are soft and you can feel they are premium. In terms of center console, these are premium as well, softer touch, chrome finish. These are contrast designs that looks really good actually. Then this contrast continues from the here, goes back to there again. Over here, you are going to find a small cannon, which is kind of printed on the sort of lights or printed on the console, which is again really cool. On the top, soft plastic over here, not too hard. Then some material over here, which is the leather again. Again, leather finish underneath as well, so that feels good. Now that will be the end of this quick walk around video to show you how the new GWM Cannon looks like. Again, I'll do a POV Drive video to show you how the vehicle drives in the near future. If you like this sort of video, please subscribe and like, that's the best way to support the channel. If you're in Auckland and you're looking to purchase one of these vehicles, do not forget you can contact me to purchase one of these vehicles from Ebbett Pukekohe. I'll leave my contact details down below. That's the end of this video, see you next time.